Hello everyone, this is Patricia Gonzalez and I will be talking about my design conjectures. And on my last presentation I talked about my prototype, which is a set of apps that I'll be using in the classroom. This time I will be talking about the map, the visualizing all the positions of these stations of the applications. On this left corner station, number 1, I'll be using the desktops using reading A through C, which is RAS Plus or RAS Kids. Here are some desks using the kids will be using desktops, like I said, and I only have 2 right here, but there will be 4 desks with desktops that the kids will be using, and this is pretty much what it looks like. And there is a video to introduce what is RAS Kids if you want more information about that. If we go back to the stations, on the upper side wall is the station 2, which is the smart TV using math versus zombies. Here is the smart TV, and we will have 4 kids, about 3 to 5 kids at a time. And this is what math versus zombies will look like if you want more information about that. And it's pretty much children that will be doing math facts, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And 2 students at a time can participate in front of the smart TV doing this facts. And as you can see, there's an easy, medium, and hard fact fluency, and it'll get harder and harder as the kids continue defeating the levels. Let's go back to the map, the design map, and then on the right side wall is the station 3, which will be using Chromebooks. The Chromebooks, the kids who use Chromebooks will be doing Spelling City. What's Spelling City? Let's go really quick to what Spelling City is. It's a tool that the teachers use in the classroom, and the teachers can create their own accounts, and the teachers can add their weekly or daily or whatever is the times that the teachers integrate all this word lists to the students. I personally do it weekly, and I can just input all my list of 10 to 15 words. And here is a video to show a little bit more about that if you want to look at it. So here it is, and it will be from 3 to 5 kids as well using the Chromebooks. On the right corner station, and this is station number 4, which is the use for the iPads using Quizlet Live. This one is really amazing because it's not just a regular Quizlet that some of us have used, where you can just use flashcards and you can use teaching tools for the students to learn subject area or something that you want the students to know. This Quizlet Live, you can let me go ahead and click so I can show you a little bit better. So when you go to Quizlet Live, to this page, you can play the video, and this tells you a little bit more what Quizlet Live is. And right here where it shows you the phones, instead of using phones, the students will be using iPads. And what it does is, for example, if I use a set that it's the planets, and then if I click on create game, then what it does, it'll give you a code, and the students will have to type in this code right here. So on the iPads, you have to set it up first. The students will integrate that code, and see, like it says here, because I have the program for 4 more students. So it'll wait until all students integrate the code, and they will after they enter it, they will automatically be playing the game. Every time I show every time I ask a question, the students will be able to answer from the iPad, and the answers will be shown automatically on whatever I'm using, like for example the Chromebook or the iPad. I can be using an infinity of devices as well to show the questions, and then the students will be answering all the answers will be automatically shown on my device as well, and then it'll show who got it right, who got it wrong. So I'm very excited about this specific game because it allows the students to collaborate and to not really communicate with each other, because I'm going to encourage to not to be sharing answers, so they will think. So that we can talk about that, but then they will be able to do it on their own. Okay, so this is the design that I have. If you want more information about all the apps that I'm doing, and this is station 1, and this is station 2, this is station 3, and this is station 4. All the stations will be within 10 to 15 minutes rotations, and I will set up a timer that everybody can hear in the classroom. I set up the timer, and after 10 or 15 minutes, depending on how well the students are using these applications, then once it beeps, then everybody will have to quickly pick everything up, which is not going to be hard because it's just basically they're not going to be using pencil or papers or any other materials but the devices. So maybe just close the windows that they're working on, and to the other person to come, and then we'll be able to log into the same applications. Okay, so these are the set of applications that I have, and I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoy it. If we go back to my initial presentation, here's a Quizlet, the Math versus Zombies, how it looks like, vocabulary, spelling, city, and Kids. If you're interested in knowing more about that, the links are on my presentation as well. Thank you.